2019 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, power windows, compass, trip computer, security system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.